Colors. Welcome to FluentEase English. This is the channel where you learn English fast and speak with ease. Today, our lesson is about colors. Beautiful words you can use to describe clothes, objects, and everything around you. Remember, when you listen and repeat many times, English becomes natural. Repetition builds your reflex. The more you repeat, the faster you speak. So stay with me. Practice step by step and enjoy the lesson. Let's get started. Mini story. Lisa's colorful day. It's Sunday morning. Lisa opens her closet and says, "What should I wear today?" She looks at her clothes. There's a yellow shirt, a pink dress, and a white jacket. She smiles and says, it's sunny. I'll wear the yellow shirt." She picks a black bag and puts her phone inside. Then she walks to her white car and drives to the cafe. At the cafe, her friend Tom says, "Hey Lisa, nice shirt. It's yellow, right?" Lisa laughs. "Yes, it's yellow. What about your hat?" Tom says, "It's purple." They sit down and order drinks. Lisa says, "I'll have an orange juice." Tom says, "And I'll take a coffee, please." When the waiter comes, he drops something by accident. Lisa helps him and picks up a brown wallet from the floor. "Is this yours?" she asks. The waiter says, "Oh yes, thank you so much." Lisa smiles and says, "No problem?" Tom laughs. "You're lucky today. You found a wallet in a good mood." Lisa smiles back, "Yes, it's a colorful day." Now it's time for the Q&A mini story. Lisa's colorful day. Listen carefully, answer quickly, and don't worry about mistakes. This step will make your English automatic. Let's begin. It's Sunday morning. Who opens her closet? Lisa, what day is it? Sunday. What is Lisa looking for? Something to wear. She has a yellow shirt, a pink dress, and a white jacket. How many things does she see? 3. What color is the shirt? Yellow. Does she wear the pink dress or the yellow shirt? The yellow shirt. She takes a black bag. What color is her bag? Black. What does she put inside? Her phone. What color is her car? White. At the cafe, Tom says, "Nice shirt. It's yellow, right?" Who says that? Tom, what color is Lisa's shirt? Yellow. What color is Tom's hat? Purple. Lisa orders an orange juice. What does she drink? Orange juice. What does Tom order? A coffee. Are they happy? Yes, they are. The waiter drops something. What does he drop? A brown wallet. Who picks it up? Lisa, what color is the wallet? Brown. What kind of day is it? A colorful day. How does Lisa feel? Happy and lucky. Excellent work. You have just completed the lesson about colors. Today, you practiced phrases like, it's red, it's blue, it's green, a yellow shirt, a black bag, a pink dress, and a brown wallet. Remember, repetition is the key. The more you repeat, the faster English becomes automatic. If you enjoyed this lesson, practice again tomorrow, subscribe to FluentEase English, and keep building your fluency step by step. See you in the next lesson.